Hello viewers, welcome back to Mega Factories. In previous episode of Almond House, we have seen level 5 and 4. Now we are at level 3. The world of namkeens and kharas welcome you. Let's go and check it out. So here we see the bundi being made in this heavy machine. Remember in the earlier episode we have seen these machines which run on steam while these machines run on oil. In the same way where we have seen steam coming from those pipes to the machines, here we have the oil getting circulated and coming to these machines. Yes, what are you doing here?
So we are checking total polarity materials of oil.
Okay, so what is
oil
that?
quality parameter.
And what is the best parameters that need to be maintained?
As per the FSSA, below 20 we need to mention.
Brilliant.
Total polarity materials.
Brilliant. So any of these oily foods need to be fried in the oil which is below 20 ppm. Shouldn't go more than that. If it goes more than that, it gets rancid and it will be discarded. Am I right?
Yes.
Brilliant. Thank you so much. This here is the fully automated packaging machine. Once the namkeen mixture is ready to be packed, it is fed manually into the machine on the top, where from a series of automated hoppers ensure only a set quantity is dispensed onto the belt. These belts then carry the namkeen onto the final hopper, which then dispenses the mixture into a series of bags designed to hold the mixture and ensure they remain crisp and dry. Finally, these bags are heat sealed and the product is ready to dispatch. Now we are in the second floor of the facility, which houses the corporate office and the MAP packing section. MAP stands for Modified Atmospheric Packaging, which basically uses nitrogen and carbon dioxide to displace oxygen from the packaging, thereby giving you longer shelf life for the products for the travelers and the international air customers. So now let's see how the packaging is done. First, the empty trays are sterilized under a UV light. Once sterilized, the product is placed into the trays systematically. Then a belt takes it into the MAP machine. This machine then displaces all the oxygen with nitrogen and carbon dioxide gases and then seals the container. These containers are now ready to be packed and shipped across the world. Now we are in the first floor, the last stage of production. Here is where all the sweets that come from the above floors get cut according to the shapes and sizes, packed and dispatched to the dispatch stores, from there to the regular sweet shops across the city. Now we are going to see how a motichur laddu is being made on my right side. That's all. Here we see a semi-automatic motichur laddu machine where it is fed with the bundis, which comes out in equal shape and sizes, and where further they are made into round shape by these people. Here you see how busy this floor is. You can see on my right how amazing these Ajmer Kalakans are being cut here. This is a busy floor where you can see a lot of desserts being cut into various shapes and sizes. Once the facility is shut down for the day, UV lights are turned on for the night to ensure the entire facility is sterilized and ready for the next day. In the end, the entire processing and packaged food comes up to this section, which is called a dispatch section. From here, these packages are loaded into these trucks and sent across to different outlets across the city. In this way, the entire cycle gets completed. Now that we have seen the entire process of making these sweets at the Almond House and the truck living, let's go inside and pick up my favorite sweets. I've got my package. Like, share, subscribe, Until next time, happy dining. Oi, oi, hero, that's my packet. My packet. Hold on, hold on, hold on.
आप कौन भैया? आप कौन?
अरे अरे रुको भाई.
आपको जानते हैं कुछ?
अरे मेरा पैकेट है वो. दे दो.